Have you ever pondered the mysteries of the microscopic world that thrives beneath our notice? This world, often overlooked, is bustling with life in its most fundamental forms. The diversity and complexity that exist on this minute scale are truly astounding, a testament to the boundless creativity of nature. The microscopic world is a realm where the ordinary rules of size and time seem to warp, where creatures of strange and alien forms dwell. These microscopic beings come in all shapes and sizes, from simple single-celled organisms to complex multicellular entities. Each of these minute creatures plays a crucial role in the grand tapestry of life, contributing to the balance and vitality of our planet in ways we're only beginning to understand. One such inhabitant of this microscopic world is the amoeba, our focus for today. The amoeba, in its simplicity, is a marvel of biological design, a testament to the adaptability of life. It's a single-celled organism lacking the complex structures we associate with higher forms of life, yet it thrives in a wide range of environments, from freshwater ponds to the human body. Amoebas are fascinating not just for their simplicity but also for their versatility. These microscopic beings can change their shape at will, extending and retracting parts of their bodies to move and consume food. This ability to alter their forms, to adapt to their surroundings, is one of the reasons why amoebas have been so successful throughout the history of life on Earth. As we delve deeper into the life of an amoeba, we'll explore how these tiny organisms live, reproduce, and interact with their environment. We'll uncover the secrets of their survival and learn how they've adapted to thrive in a world far removed from our own. The microscopic world is a realm of wonder, a testament to the adaptability and resilience of life. And at the heart of this world thrives the amoeba, a single-celled organism that encapsulates the marvel of biological adaptability and survival. The amoeba, a single-celled organism, is a marvel of biological adaptability and survival. So what exactly is an amoeba, and how does it live its life? Let's dive right in and start to unravel this fascinating microscopic being. An amoeba, in essence, is a single-celled organism that can be found in a myriad of environments, from freshwater bodies to soil and even within other organisms. It's a member of the group known as protozoa, tiny creatures that are the superheroes of the microscopic world. One of the most remarkable characteristics of an amoeba is its ability to constantly change its shape. Imagine if you could mold your body like a blob of clay, extending and retracting parts of yourself at will. An amoeba does exactly that, thanks to its flexible cell membrane and cytoplasm, which is divided into two parts: the outer ectoplasm and the inner endoplasm. This shape-shifting ability is not just a party trick, it's crucial for the amoeba's survival and daily activities. Now let's talk about how an amoeba moves. It uses a process called amoeboid movement, where it extends parts of its body called pseudopodia or false feet into finger-like projections. It then flows its inner cytoplasm into these projections, essentially pulling itself forward. It's a bit like doing a perpetual slow-motion somersault, if you will. And how about feeding? An amoeba consumes its food through a process called phagocytosis. When it encounters a food particle, it extends its pseudopodia to envelop the meal, forming a food vacuole. Enzymes within the vacuole then break down the food, allowing the amoeba to absorb the nutrients. Any waste materials are simply expelled out of the cell, so there you have it. The life of an amoeba may seem simple, but it's full of intricate processes and adaptations that allow this microscopic organism to thrive in its environment. The amoeba's ability to adapt its form and behavior to its environment is truly a testament to the wonder of life on a microscopic level. Now, you might be wondering, how does a single-celled organism like an amoeba reproduce and continue its species? Well, let's delve into the fascinating life cycle of an amoeba, a process that's as intriguing as it is vital for the survival of these microscopic beings. The life cycle of an amoeba starts with a mature amoeba, a single-celled organism that has the remarkable ability to replicate itself through a process called binary fission. This is not your typical parent-child relationship. Here, the parent literally becomes the offspring. In binary fission, the amoeba first duplicates its genetic material, creating two identical sets of DNA. Then, the amoeba's cytoplasm, the gel-like substance inside the cell, begins to divide. This process continues until the amoeba splits into two distinct cells, each with its own set of genetic material. The result is two identical amoebas, each equipped with the necessary tools to thrive and repeat the process all over again. But what are the conditions that favor this kind of reproduction? Well, amoebas thrive in wet environments, from puddles to ponds, even in the human body. When conditions are favorable, with plenty of nutrients and a suitable temperature, an amoeba can divide every 24 hours. That's a lot of amoebas. However, amoebas also have survival strategies for when conditions aren't so hospitable. When food is scarce or the environment becomes dry or cold, an amoeba can form a protective shell and enter a dormant state known as encystment. Inside this protective cyst, the amoeba waits until conditions improve. Once they do, the cyst breaks open, and the amoeba emerges, ready to resume its life cycle. So, from binary fission to survival tactics, the life cycle of an amoeba is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life on a microscopic scale. Through a simple yet effective life cycle, amoebas ensure their survival and proliferation. From one comes many, and the cycle of life continues in the world of the amoeba. But what does this microscopic creature have to do with us humans, you might ask? It's a valid question, and the answer is quite fascinating. Amoebas are not just aimlessly floating around in water puddles or on the leaves of plants. They play a crucial role in our ecosystem. By feeding on bacteria, algae, and other microorganisms, amoebas help control their populations. If amoebas weren't there to munch on these microscopic critters, we could have an imbalance in our ecosystem, leading to problems like overgrowth of harmful algae or spread of certain bacteria. But the relationship between amoebas and humans isn't all about maintaining equilibrium in the ecosystem. The interaction between the two can also be a bit more personal, and not always in a good way. While most amoebas are harmless to humans, a few types can cause diseases. For instance, some amoebas, like the one called Entamoeba histolytica, can infect humans and cause a disease known as amoebiasis. This disease primarily affects the intestines and can cause symptoms like diarrhea and stomach pain. In severe cases, it can even be fatal. But don't let this scare you away from the fascinating world of amoebas. These instances are relatively rare, and most amoebas go about their lives without ever causing harm to humans. Moreover, understanding these microscopic beings better can help us find ways to prevent and treat diseases caused by them. Research on amoebas has given us insights into how they move, eat, reproduce, and survive, and this knowledge can be used to develop new medicines and treatments. The world of amoebas is a reminder of how interconnected all life forms are. These tiny creatures, invisible to the naked eye, play a significant role in our ecosystem and can deeply impact our health. While mostly harmless, some types of amoebas can cause diseases in humans, reminding us of the profound impact that even the smallest of organisms can have on our lives. Let's take a moment to reflect on what we've learned about the fascinating world of the amoeba. Starting out, we delved into the wonders of the microscopic world where these single-celled organisms thrive. We learned that amoebas, despite being microscopic, play a significant role in our global ecosystem. They are versatile creatures, able to adapt to various environments from freshwater bodies to soil and even within other organisms. Moving on, we explored the life of an amoeba. We discovered that these fascinating beings are not as simple as they might seem. They have a complex internal structure with parts that function much like our own organs. They eat, they move, they reproduce, all in ways that are both intriguing and complex. Next, we unraveled the life cycle of an amoeba. From its initial stage as a single cell, to its growth and multiplication, each stage is a testament to the wonders of life at its most basic level. The reproduction process, particularly, is an intricate dance of division and growth, showcasing nature's efficiency at its best. We also touched on the relationship between amoebas and humans. While some amoebas are harmless and even beneficial to human life, others can cause diseases. This duality serves as a reminder of the delicate balance that exists in nature. The amoeba, a microscopic marvel, showcases the wonders of life that exist beyond our normal perception. Their existence reminds us that life in all its forms is complex and beautiful. It's a testament to the wonders that lay hidden in the microscopic world, a world that is as fascinating as it is diverse. So here we are at the end of our journey into the world of the amoeba. I hope this exploration has piqued your curiosity and deepened your appreciation for the wonders of the microscopic world. The amoeba, a microscopic marvel, showcases the wonders of life that exist beyond our normal perception. If you've enjoyed this journey into the microscopic world, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights. Remember, there's always more to learn and discover.